beautiful tech world. Please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. So we'll see what this video is all about. The new iPhone users always do this mistake, uh, like other Android phones. iPhone does not have a back button. So how do you add a back button in your iPhone has something called as your Assistive Touch, which acts as a back button in iOS. So let's see, how do you turn on this Assistive Touch? Where do you find this Assistive Touch button? Open settings, then slide down and go to general, then click on accessibility, then slide down and click on Assistive Touch. You can see that Assistive Touch is off over here. Turn it on and you will get this button over here. Yeah, that's all.